Hey there and welcome to today's video. If you use Twitch on your Android phone and need to update your password, this guide is just for you. Changing your password regularly helps keep your account secure, and in this video, I'll walk you through each step clearly and easily. Let's begin. First, open the Twitch app on your Android phone. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom to open your profile section. From the menu, select Account Settings. Next, tap on Security and Privacy. This section handles all your account security options. Choose Password. You'll now be prompted to change your password. First, enter your current password in the first field to verify your identity. Then, type your new password in the second field. Be sure to choose a strong and secure one. Re-enter the new password again in the third field to confirm it. Finally, tap Done, or the check mark at the top right corner of the screen to save your new password. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Twitch password. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Stay safe online and remember to update your passwords regularly. See you next time.